Hello everyone, this is Serhat Altın and this is my weather app. I live in s-Hertogenbosch in the Netherlands and this is the year 2020. The app is now running on my local environment. It uses Python, Flask, Jinja, JavaScript, SQLite, Bootstrap and some custom CSS. We have auto-locate button here and there is a JavaScript event listener behind it. Whenever it's clicked, it calls the geolocator method of browser's window object, in this case for Chrome. And with DOM manipulation, it populates this latitude and the longitude fields. Let's do that. And now with these coordinates, we can make an API call and get results. As you see, we have a country here and it uses SQLite database. It counts how many times users made weather results requests here. It's securely saved there. And we can see the current weather here of my current location. And you can also see the dynamic map of these coordinates. The URL of this dynamic map is constructed together with the latitude and the longitude that we got from the previous step. Now let's do the same, this time not with coordinates, but with zip code and country. For that we can go to get results by zip code. And let's choose United States here, 10,001 for New York, and let's make another API call and get results. As you see, the number is incremented by 1 and saved in the SQLite database. And we can see the weather for New York at the moment. It's rainy, and we can also see the dynamic map for New York as well. Thanks for watching it. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye-bye.